Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of GoodNotes 6 and Noteful, two of the hottest note-taking apps for tablets and devices in 2026. Whether you're a student, a professional, a creator, or someone who just loves digital notes, this video will help you decide which app deserves your time and money. I'll walk you through everything from an in-depth overview and key features to pricing, pros and cons, and finally, a conclusion on which app wins in 2026. So let's get started. GoodNotes started over a decade ago as one of the premier digital notebooks on iPads, and with GoodNotes 6, it has transformed into what they now call an AI-powered productivity platform. It is designed to be the ultimate digital workspace, not just for handwriting, but for typed text, collaboration, PDF annotation, audio notes, smart search, and AI assistance. What's unique about GoodNotes 6 is how it blends traditional handwritten note-taking with modern productivity tools. You can write or type anywhere on the page, you can search your handwritten notes instantly, annotate PDFs, record audio and sync it with your notes, turn your notes into smart flashcards, and use AI to get summaries, outlines, even math help. You can also collaborate in real time with others all in one place. It feels like paper, but on steroids, with powerful organization, customization options, and tools that help you think, plan, study, and work smarter. GoodNotes has become more than a note app, it's a productivity hub. Now, let us talk about Noteful. Noteful is a newer app built from the ground up to create the best handwritten note-taking experience on tablets. The team behind it focused intensely on making handwriting feel smooth, natural, and responsive, especially with stylus supports like Apple Pencil. GoodNotes lets you take beautiful handwritten notes, import and annotate PDFs and Office documents, use multiple pens, highlighters, shapes, and templates, organize using a flexible tagging system instead of just folders. You can also add layers, meaning your annotation doesn't actually alter the underlying content. And the interesting thing about Noteful is its minimalistic design philosophy. They kept the interface clean and intuitive so that you focus on writing, not on navigating menus. Now, let us talk about the main features of GoodNotes. Handwriting and typed notes. You can write by hand, type text, or even speak, all in the same document. The search works across all formats. AI features. It includes tools to summarize notes, generate outlines, answer questions about content, and even help with math and learning. These are powerful productivity boosters. Organization. Notebooks and folders are fully customizable with colors, icons, and nested organization. Audio notes and transcription. You can record lectures and meetings with transcriptions synced to your writing. This is perfect for students and professionals. Collaboration. Real-time collaboration lets teams build notes together. PDF annotation and whiteboards. You can import PDFs, annotate them inline, and use a limitless whiteboard for brainstorming. Custom tools, infinite canvas, and marketplace add-ons also make GoodNotes a very expandable ecosystem. How about Noteful? Noteful is more focused, but it packs plenty of punch. Natural handwriting engine, PDF and Office annotation, tag-based organization, layers, audio record sync, meaning you can record audio while writing, and playback syncs with your note timeline. Editing tools as well. There's a precise eraser, a lasso tool, a drag and resize annotation, split view multitasking, all the essentials are here. And a clean UI. Very minimal interface with quick access to tools and fewer distractions. Noteful's feature set focuses on doing core notes very well without layering every possible productivity add-on. Now, what is the pricing like? We'll start with GoodNotes. There are various plans. There's a personal plan, there's a teens plan, and there is the education plan. For personal, there's a free plan, an essential plan at $11.99, a pro plan at $35.99, and a special edition plan also at $35.99. This is a one-time payment edition. All of this includes an additional fee for AI Pass. So this is an optional add-on monthly if you want to unlock the GoodNotes AI experience at $9.99 per month across all the plans. Of course, there's a Teams plan at $10 per month per user, and an enterprise plan where you can customize the pricing. And there's the educational plan, a free plan, and also a GoodNotes education, which is also a customized plan. And for Noteful, it is free. It is free to use with the core features. And there's a one-time purchase for the Pro Unlocked Forever plan, which is around $4.99 US. And that's significantly lower than GoodNotes, especially if you want a lifetime unlock without subscriptions. And we've gotten reviews around that. Here's this person on Reddit that says that for the price, which is basic version free and a $5 one-time purchase, it is a very, very good app. And the person says he can say with confidence that Noteful beats them all. Of course, with GoodNotes, there are more advanced features and there are AI features. So if you want more and you're willing to spend more, then GoodNotes may be a very good fit. What are the pros and cons of these platforms? First, the pros. For GoodNotes, powerful AI features, real-time collaboration, searchable handwriting and robust PDF tools, and cross-platform support across iOS, Android, Windows, and web. And the pros of Noteful? Cheapest long-term option with one-time purchase, an excellent handwriting feel and tagging organization, clean, minimal interface. How about the cons? For GoodNotes, more expensive for full features as earlier mentioned, and is a bit complex for beginners. And for Noteful, there's fewer productivity and fewer AI tools, and it might feel basic compared to advanced tools. Also, this is designed for iOS users. So after breaking everything down, which one wins in 2026? Well, here's a brief summary. If you want power, you want AI, you want full-featured productivity hub, then GoodNotes 6 wins. But if you want simplicity, excellent handwriting tools, and something you can really afford, then Noteful wins. Both are excellent, and your choice should come down to whether you value feature richness or you want to cut down on price. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Notability, Nibble, and Apple Notes. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.